Well, this is what I got today out of the garden. Um, this apple, curious markings on it. It's got some holes in it. I'm in the habit of not spraying any man-made chemicals on it, so this is what you get. The bugs want to eat too, so does the birds. Um, Peppers, nothing seemed to touch any of them. They just grew and grew and grew. These are banana peppers, in case you didn't know. And I'm happy. I'm getting the garden set up for fall, so I'm mowing down everything, chop and drop method, as I said earlier. And I'm mowing down everything. All the grasses, some of the grasses were close to 3 feet tall. Some of your neighborhoods won't allow that. Mine don't allow it, but it's at the back of the house, so I was okay. And here's where we are. Good looking vegetables and grown with all natural ingredients or all natural things. They didn't have any man-made chemicals used on them. And I'm still happy with the M1. M1 gave me an abundance of things growing this year, so I will continue to use it. M1 is something. Um, Apple, I grew. They just look different. This apple was grown in all sunlight, so I wonder why it's green. It's supposed to. It looks like to me, a Honey Crisp because I only grew Honey Crisp. No, I mean it looks like a Granny Smith to me, but I grow Granny Smith, Honey Crisp. I grow Pink Lady, and I grow Fuji. So we'll see what this apple tastes like. All right, that's it.